This is a series of videos. Please refer to the methods of stitches, ignoring the yarn color. Select the corresponding yarn colors in your material package to learn. Please refer to both the videos and the instructional brochure during your crocheting process. Please make sure to first view the beginning 10 instructional videos to learn the basic methods of crocheting, and then view the instructional videos for your purchased product. The foot bowl. The main body will use double strands of coffee yarn. Wrap the yarn around your knit finger. And then bring it up to index finger. Pinch the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. The yarn can be pulled freely like this. Leave a yarn tail here. Work into a magic ring. Make loop around your middle finger. And pinch the crossover of the yarn with your thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into the loop on middle finger. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. A magic ring is formed on the middle finger. Work into a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your middle finger. Then bring it up to index finger. Make loop around your middle finger. Pinch the yarn with your thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into the loop on your middle finger. Yarn on the hook, pull up a loop. The loop on the middle finger becomes the magic ring. In round 1, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 6 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Yarn the hook, and pull through the loop on the hook. That's a chain stitch. First, work a chain stitch. Yarn the hook, pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. That's a chain stitch. The chain stitch at the beginning is towards the height and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Then work 6 single crochets. Insert hook into the magic ring. Yarn hook and pull up loop through the ring. There are 2 loops on the hook now. Then yarn hook and pull through both loops on the hook. That's a single crochet. Insert hook into the magic ring. Pull up loop through the magic ring. There are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn on the hook, pull through both loops on the hook. 1 single crochet is done. Such a V shape on the side stands for 1 stitch. Place a marker in the first stitch. The marker should go through both loops of the V shape. We need to mark the first stitch very round. Continue to work 5 more single crochets in the same way. Six single crochets are done. We can count the V shapes to check the number of stitches. The loop on the hook is not counted as one stitch. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Remove the marker and work one snip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Insert the hook into the mark stitch. Yarn hook and pull up loop through the stitch. There are 2 loops on the hook now. Then pull the first loop on the hook through the ranging loop on the hook. That's one snip stitch. Snip stitch. Insert hook into the next stitch. Hook the yarn. Pull the yarn through the stitch and also pull it through the original loop on the hook. That's a snip stitch. Repeat. Insert hook into next stitch. Hook the yarn. Pull the yarn through the stitch and also pull it through the original loop on the hook. Repeat one more time. Okay, that's a snip stitch. Make sure to tighten up when working the snip stitch. The snip stitch serves as a collection and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Round 1 is done. In round 2, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 6 increases. Finally, end with 1 snip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. The chain stitch is to raise the height and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Then work 6 increases. Work 1 single crochet in the first stitch, where we just worked the snip stitch of last round. Attention here. Insert hook into the first stitch. Hook yarn and pull up loop. then yarn and hook, and pull through both loops and hook. Mark the first single crochet. We need to mark the first stitch of every round. Then work one more single crochet in the same stitch. Two single crochets are in the same stitch, one increase is done. Increase. Increase means working two single crochets in the same stitch. In the next stitch, we'll show how to work one increase. First, work a single crochet in the next stitch. Then, work one more single crochet in the same stitch. One increase is done. Continue to work 5 more increases in the same way. We work 2 single crochets in each stitch. Six increases are done. Remove the marker and work one slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Make sure to tighten up when working the snip stitch. The snip stitch serves as a collection and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Pay attention to the yarn's tightness during crocheting. If it's too tight, we can't insert the hook easily. If it's too loose, the fabric will be out of shape. Round 2 is done.